There are everyday Americans like you and I that are cashing out on this credit card system, and they're going on free vacations with their family every year. Can you imagine creating better habits that will earn you free vacations, airline perks, and gifts for you and your loved ones, and so much more? And I know some people have a certain fear about credit and credit cards, and I had the same type of fear. I had the same type of like standoffish attitude towards it, because I thought that owning a company in this country was like the worst thing that you could ever do, right? But all my misconceptions were shattered when I learned about the improvement system, which I now use. It's a mind frame, it's a way of living, and it takes someone who is ready to take accountability for where their credit is now. I'm sure you're probably wondering, okay, well, if I'm not a credit card fixing company, then what am I and what do I do? Well, hi, my name is Leah Dinarin, and I am a real estate broker here in Houston, Texas. And I've been a licensed agent since 2011. So I've worked with home buyers, sellers alike for more than 9 years, and I love it. Okay, I've done so many deals, and I work with so many lenders and mortgage companies to the point where I know what the lenders are looking for. Trust me when I say I love helping my clients. And one thing about credit is that it's not just saying, hey, I need to dispute a couple transactions on my credit. That's only one factor, okay? You need to adhere to the rules and guidelines, which I might add, they don't tell you when they give you that credit card. They don't give you all the guidelines and tell you, okay, this is what you do, this is what you do, this is when you pay, this is when you do this. They don't give you any of that. And what you need to do is set up a credit improvement strategy to improve your credit. At any point when you have a credit, you have to have a certain system that is in place. So what I've created in this product that I want to show you today is a workbook, a credit boosting workbook, which you can utilize to boost your credit score and set the foundation for you to build a credit improvement system. And a lot of people that I've spoken with, they don't have any type of system or tactics in place when it comes to their credit. They just go with the flow and, do whatever, they feel is the best option. They don't know what actions will improve their score and what actions will lower it. They don't know what they've been doing if it's wrong. And some of them, they don't even know how to get out of bad credit in general. They tell themselves, okay, I'll take care of it soon, or when I'm ready, I'm gonna fix it. Well, tomorrow is almost yesterday, so why not start now? I mean, the fastest way to improve your credit is to actually start the process. And it's never too late. And for the same reason you're watching this video, it's obvious you want a solution to your credit. Well, let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried a workbook that's geared to boost your credit? I'm talking about a workbook that actively tackles all your credit questions and builds up your credit improvement system page by page. Just like I can be coaching you one-on-one, this workbook will do the same, but it's written for you to implement very, very fast. I'm very proud to share this complete system with you today, because I know it will take you from 1, learning what you need to understand about credit, 2, helping you implement the rules in your everyday life, to 3, starting the process to make your big purchases. Like qualifying for that big house, getting approved for that apartment you wanted, upgrading that fridge you've been wanting, getting a low interest rate on that car you've been looking at, right? So it seems like, the good life is knocking right at your door with a slice of credit freedom. I created the system for my clients, but I'm extending this offer to you. And the best part of this program is that it doesn't require you to sign up for any monthly subscription of $79.95. And all it takes is for you to implement this workbook a few minutes a day to get started making these positive changes to your credit. By the way, I have a master's in psychology, so I've gone in detail on how people can make changes to create breakthroughs and turnarounds in their lives. And a little bit of psychology went into developing this system too, so you can read, process, and understand it in order to implement each one of these tactics. And if you show up for yourself for a few minutes each day to work on this system, it will boost your credit score. Okay, You will make better credit decisions. You will see your system paying off with a higher score. You will be proud to show your credit to a lender or to apply for a loan without feeling like, okay, I could possibly get, denied. So if you're interested in this product and you're excited about it like I am, I want to tell you more about it. This is the exact strategy and system that I've used in my high-end one-on-one consultation program, and I've never sold it at this pricing before. I'm offering it for just $36. The credit boosting workbook, which has about 12 pages full of information, tips, guidelines, and more. In addition, you'll get 4 guides that will prepare you for when you're ready to buy a house. You'll get access to a customized and private calculator, and you'll also get a customizable budget. All of these items you can access and download right away. And I love it if you take me up on this, and I know it's really going to make a difference in your journey to developing better credit and developing the credit improvement system that you need. I stand by this product 100%, okay? Because it works to help me get buyers closed on deals. If you get this program and for some reason you feel like you're having problems or you're stuck, and let me just tell you, it's really easy and simple to implement. But if you do run into any questions, feel free to contact me and I will guide you on the right path to get to where you need to go. I'm not one of those people that would just tell you about something and not answer emails the next day. For me, this is the beginning of a relationship between you and I hope to be that person you look to for answers when you're stuck on things. So hopefully you download it, you use it, you love it, and you start to see progress in your credits, and then we can take the next steps to create a system for other topics that you want to explore. Well, if you have any questions, my contact information is going to be below in the description box somewhere. Otherwise, I hope to see you inside my private Facebook group that I set up for all the clients that purchased any of my products. So see you guys later. Bye.